All right, guys, you're starting a business, but you owe the IRS money. Ooh. Out of everyone in the world, there's kind of two people you don't want to owe money to. The mob, because I'll bust your knees, and the IRS. Even worse, the IRS can take money out of your bank account. So you owe the IRS money. They can come into your bank and go, thank you. You saved some money. You inherited some money. You got a paycheck. It's called garnishing your wages. Imagine that. They can literally come, your employer paid you, and they go, oh, you pay me first, right? So you don't want to have any debts to the IRS, which are not fixed. And we're going to talk about that. I'm going to teach you guys a little hack. It's a life hack of how you can work with this, right? So what you do with the IRS is you got to face reality. Most people just want to stick their head in the sand. They don't want to deal with it. Oh, I get letters. I don't even open the letters. I put them in the bin. I don't even open them. I open one. That was scary, but now if I just don't open them, the problem doesn't exist, right? Wrong, guys. The IRS does not forget, okay? They have a very, very long memory. So what you got to do is you got to deal with them, okay? So there are companies that specialize in this. Don't try and do it yourself, right? That's too intimidating, it's scary, and they will push you around and they will bully you. So what you want to do is work with a professional company that knows how to do this. And what they're going to do is 4 simple steps. Number 1, they're going to reach out to the IRS and negotiate on your behalf. So let's say you owe the IRS $50,000, $20,000, $100,000, $1 million, whatever it is, they're going to negotiate down to a fixed amount. So you owe them $50,000, they're going to negotiate that to, let's say, $40,000. Okay? Now, big win, number 2, is they're going to get interest and penalties removed, right? Either they'll try and get some of the old stuff removed. Hopefully they can. Depends on the situation. Every negotiation is different, obviously. But more importantly, they're going to get all future interest payments and penalties removed. So you owe the IRS $40,000. So that's number 2. You got a fixed payment and no more penalties and interest. Number 3, they're going to set up a monthly payment, okay? So let's say you owe the IRS $40,000. You're going to pay X dollars, whether it be $500 a month, $300, $1,000, whatever it is. You guys will work out a deal of what you can afford and what the IRS is willing to accept. So the IRS will look at how much money you make, and they will not try and over leverage you. They do understand, and this is where a good negotiator comes into place. Hey, my client only makes this amount of money. This is how much money they can afford per month. And so the IRS will take that. The IRS would rather get some money than no money. Okay, I hope that makes sense. The IRS, again, will rather get some money than no money. Okay. And next is now you're in a fixed payment plan with the IRS. So now, and this is probably the single most important thing, they will not garnish your wages. It's not like the IRS wakes up on a Tuesday morning and goes, you know, this guy's paying me $1,000 a month, but I want more this month, and it's going to come into your bank account. They don't do that, all right? They're not evil, okay? They're just trying to get what they're owed, okay? But once you're in a fixed monthly payment, all of a sudden, your stress disappears, you can breathe, and now lenders will lend money to you. They will lend money to you if you have a fixed payment plan with the IRS. They will not lend money to you if the IRS placed a lien on you. Okay, so guys, make sure if you've got tax debt, make sure you get it sorted out. All right, have a great day.